Today's video is about medical and behavioral practitioners. So this is part one, and in today's lesson, the Norman Lewis talked about the practitioners and what they do. What they does, and in the next video, we will talk about their roots. So today we will have an overview, and in the next video we will talk about how they originated and from which root, Greek, Latin, or whatever. So today's lesson we start with psychologist. Psychologists studies human behavior, thoughts, emotions, and personality, and they try to understand why people behave the way they do, the how personalities develop, and what influences feelings and emotions. Where do psychologists work? In schools, colleges, hospitals, industries, companies, and in this era there is a huge need of many psychologists because people are under stress and they kind of open up in front of a psychologist. The psychologist understand the pattern of their thoughts and kind of relax them. A psychologist studies behavior and the mind. Then we have psychoanalyst. What does psychoanalyst do? So a psychoanalyst is a properly trained psychiatrist or psychologist who uses the method developed by Sigmund Freud to understand a person's unconscious mind. This treatment involves discussing childhood experiences, exploring unconscious thoughts, understanding fears, conflicts, and anxieties. Long-term therapy sessions. So actually the psychoanalysis focuses on the unconscious mind, like if there was any childhood trauma which is still is still persistently disturbing your mind, or you in many situations, they try to solve that. Then we have orthodontist. Actually we have already studied them, but we are just revising as per the book. Then we have orthodontist. What does so orthodontist is a dentist who specializes in straightening teeth and correcting improper bites. Common treatments like braces, aligners, bite correction. So orthodontist is equal to teeth alignment specialist. Then we have optometrist. Optometrist, measures vision, performs eye examination, and prescribe glasses and contact lenses. Remember, optometrist does not perform eye surgery like an ophthalmologist. Then we have optician. So optician makes and fits glasses, grinds lenses according to the prescription given by optometrist, and repairs and adjusts spectacles and sells optical products. Remember, optician does not examine patients like optometrist. Then we have osteopath. Osteopath practice is a An osteopath practices a system of medicine that emphasizes manipulation of muscles and joints, massage techniques, improving body movement. Originally, osteopath focused on treating illness without drug. Osteo- Osteopathy uses manual techniques to improve health. They believe that the kind of tension sometimes is stored in our muscles, and they can release them by massage and these kind of techniques. Then we have chiropractor. These type of practitioners, they treat problems involving spine, joints, muscles, nervous system. Treatments include spinal adjustment, joint manipulation, posture correction. Remember, chiropractors mainly focus on the spine. Then we have podiatrist. Podiatrist specializes in the treatment of the feet and ankles. So common conditions like cones, bunions, fallen arches, they may perform minor foot injury as well. So podiatrist is equal to foot specialist. Then we have graphologist. This work is kind of interesting. Graphologist studies have handwriting to analyze the character, personality, and aptitude of a particular person's. They are usually called upon to examine the signatures to help verify authenticity of the signatures or handwriting. So sorry, graphologist is equal to study of handwriting. Then we have gerontologist. Gerontologist studies the social, psychological, and economic aspects of aging. They help solve problems related to retirement, family relationships, financial planning, and social adjustment in old age, and for those of all people. So gerontology studies aging from a non-medical perspective. Then we have quick revision. Psychology studies human behavior. Personality psychoanalyst uses psychoanalysis to explore the unconscious mind or hidden traumas. Orthodontists straighten teeth. Optometrists measure vision and prescribe glasses. Optician make and fit glasses. Osteopath uses manual techniques to improve health. Chiropractor treats spine and joint problems. Podiatrist treats foot disorder. Graphology studies handwriting. Gerontologist studies aging and problems of elder older adult. In next video we will learn the Latin and Greek root behind all these practitioners and discover how they were formed. So yep, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Bye.